Hi, Miss. Hello, Miss. I'm Rodeline, and I will ask the second to the last question. Since you said the teaching style is depending on the students, what two activities do you usually use related to the juries?
Related to?
Juries.
Theories. Anong mga activities nga? Lawat tabi to?
What activities did you usually use related to the juries?
Theories. Ang mga activities, usually, as a teacher, we have these activities and performances, like mga PTs nila. Okay, we depend it on the grade level. So for me, with handle ko, I'm handling grade 4 to 7. So in grade 4, hindi siya, we cannot use the role playing. Because more likely, mabilang mo lang tanan. So instead of role playing, the least that I can provide for them is through games. What kind of games? It could be mga gamification. Do you know what that is? Through example, technology. May use ko technology. With the use of technology, may games siya. Pero ang games na is about sa lesson na itudlo ko this day. Example, ano tong lesson ko? Conjunctions. So, instead, na magpamati sila sa purely discussion lang, or mag-PT sila sa mga dagpo, mga high level, through games ko siya. So, example mo tong sa lesson ko, ma-provide ko the games, kundi may question. So, with the use of iPad, may iPad man ko, tapos pencil. So, they will drag that conjunctions. Tapos, they will fit in sa sentence, kung diin siya insakto. So, through this, ang students, involved na siya. And of course, not just na ma-learn sila, but at the same time, they will enjoy. Kaya knowing na grade 4, hindi na sila yung mamati sa purely discussion na based on my experience. Especially grade 5, 4, 5, gusto nila may mga interactions, nga mga games, nga mga discussions. Pwede mag-demo kami in the future, gamitin yung mga gamification, research na. Kaya helpful na siya. While sa grade 6, role playing, pwede na sila. So the last time that we had the activity is asking and giving polite directions. Or do something like that. So with that PT, they will be able to communicate properly. Ay syempre guided sila. And somehow, may buod sila. Okay? Ang na role playing, pwede na sa grade 6. And sa grade 7 naman niya, syempre, ma-higher level naman ta. So pwede ko butang reporting. Biskan grade 7, pwede na siya ka-report. Newscasting, kaya na nila mag-research, mag-identify facts, and deliver it in front. So overall, all I can say is that every grade level has different approach sa ilang mga activities.
Thank you.